People will ask me all the time, Helen, how do I sound more confident? How do I show up as my best self and just let fly with my really great ideas? So firstly, what does confidence sound like? Confidence sounds like flow. And that means you've stopped being in editor mode where you're thinking, what is it, the exact word that I want to say? And you've just gone for the big idea. You've gone for the thing, the big thought that you want to convey. And that's how you get to sounding confident. You embrace the principle that you want to convey an idea rather than a specific linguistic item. When you let go of that, you reduce the barrier to participation in meetings, at conferences, in everything.